Hi guys, welcome to Atlas QA. This channel is all about making software testing simple, clear, and practical. Whether you're just starting software testing or you're a developer who want to understand testing better, you will find tips, explanations, and real examples here. Today we will start with the big question: why we need software testing. So let us start with a story. Meet Adam. He is a smart and enthusiastic software engineer. One day, he comes up with a brilliant idea for a mobile app, an idea he believed could change everything. So Adam got to work. He designed it, coded it, and launched his app. At first, everything went perfectly. Adam's app was simple, fast, and people loved it. Users kept joining every day, leaving positive comments and high ratings. The reviews were glowing, the numbers were growing, and Adams felt on the top of the world. As the app grew, Adam couldn't handle everything on his own anymore. So he decided to expand his team. He hired new software engineers, Nico, Sarah, and Leo. Together, they all contributed to the project, adding new features and helping the app grow even faster. But soon, the problems began. Bugs started slipping into the software, and users were the first one to notice them. Frustrated, many deleted the app and left bad ratings. Security threats appeared, putting the system at risk. Some requirements weren't even implemented correctly, and the team spent more time fixing old bugs than building new features. And worst of all, the bugs found in production were costing Adam a lot of money to fix. The team started to panic. Nico, Sarah, and Leo were overwhelmed trying to fix one bug after another. New problems kept showing up faster than they could solve them. Adam realized that if things continued this way, his dream project could collapse. He knew he had to find a real solution, and fast. So Adam decided to reach out for help. He called Reda, an experienced software tester, to understand what was going on wrong. Together, they went through the root causes of the problems. First cause of the problems is human mistakes. Adam admitted, yes, developers make mistakes, but we do peer reviews and code reviews to reduce them. Reda answered, that helps, but it's not enough. That's why you need testing, to catch errors early before users ever see them. Second cause is complexity. Adam said, yes, the system is getting too complex, but it is clean, scalable, and we split it into modules to keep things organized. Reda replied, this is great, but they also create hidden risks. Careful testing and every step keep complexity under control. Another cause is changing requirement. Adam argued, yes, requirements keep changing all the time, but we track them carefully in our backlog. Reda explained, tracking is good, but validation tests make sure nothing breaks, even when changes happen. How about poor communication? Adam signed, yes, sometimes we misunderstand each other in the team, but we do daily stand ups to stay aligned. Reda smiled, stand ups help, but miscommunication still slip through. Tests act as a common language. Everybody knows exactly what this system should do. Another cause is time pressure. Adam admitted, yes, deadlines make us rush, but that's part of business. We just work harder. Reda reassured him, yes, that's when testing protects you. It catches the hidden problems caused by rushed work. How about integration issues? Adam said, yes, different modules don't always fit together, but we designed them to be independent. Reda replied, independence is good, but integration testing is essential to make sure everything truly works as one system. How about environment differences? Adam said, yes, when it works on our computers, so we trust the code. Reda concluded, and yet it fails in production. That's why testing across environments makes sure your app runs everywhere, not just on one machine. After listening to Reda, Adam finally understood the real value of having a software tester. Testers don't just find bugs, they find them early, long before users even notice them. But by catching issues sooner, they help save money because fixing a small bug in development is much cheaper than fixing it in production. They improve the quality of the product, making sure the app works exactly as is expected. They increase security, protecting against vulnerabilities and data leaks. With testing in place, users gain confidence. It boosts their trust because they know the software is reliable. Testers also check performance, ensuring the apps runs fast and stable. And finally, they verify requirements, confirming that the product delivers exactly what the business promised. And at the end, Adam decided to hire Reda. Remember, code builds the product, but testing builds the trust. Thank you for watching with Atlas QA. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I will happy to answer. Ciao!